This is a steam vaporizer by this company, Dr. Saber. It's a new style steamer. Let's do unboxing. This is the mouth. And this is the unit. So you have to fill water till here. And you have to put this mouth over here. And that's it.